Tatapusan mo na. Oh! Nakaligtas. Sige, sige. Isa pa, isa pa. In 3, 2, 1. Magdasal ka na, boy. Boom. Oy, gagi sinalo niya. And boom. Astig. Hello guys, this is WackyPH again at nandito na naman tayo ngayon para sa panibago nating video. At ang lalaroin natin ngayon dito guys is ang Prince of Persia The Lost Crown, a Ubisoft original. Ayun guys, napakabagong release lang na itong game na to na malalaro nyo sa mobile pero pwede nyo rin siyang laruin sa PS5, PS4, ayan, PC, Android, iOS at marami pang iba. And guys, Prince of Persia The Lost Crown, Ubisoft original to guys. Yung Ubisoft gumawa to ng mga game na naging popular gaya na lang ng Assassin's Creed, Far Cry at marami pang iba. Kaya guys, asahan natin na malupit talaga tong game na to. So bali guys, offline game to at ang total size neto is nasa 5 gig. Okay? So kapag nagustuhan nyo tong larong to, ilalagay ko sa pin comment section or description yung link ng game na to. Option muna tayo guys, check muna natin yung graphics. Alright, walang adjustan ng graphics, calibration lang, which is ano yata to, brightness to. So walang adjustan ng graphics, putik-itik FPS limit, dapat i-60 FPS natin yan, subtitle. At anyway guys, wala na akong pakialam dyan, wala namang adjustan ng graphics, kaya i-start game na natin to. Ang forma pa ng background music. And here we go, ito na nga po, putik-itik guys.
30 years had passed. Decades
Without rain. Putik-itik walang
The
ulan.
once fertile plains of Fars had become as barren as the Lut Salt Desert.
Uy,
A
Prince
few
of Persia.
arrow shots from Persepolis,
Sa desert talaga to
the
guys.
Kushans, bloodthirsty warriors
Uy,
from
gagi, ang
the
ganda
east,
ng ano nyo,
were
mas nyo.
attacking Persia.
Parang King Arthur ba yun? Ewan ko. May ganyang mas ako nakita sa TikTok eh.
Persian soldiers defended the land, no matter the cost.
Oh, tek. Natalo yata yung mga Persians dito.
Ardashir resisted heroically, but his men fell one by one. Anahita summoned her remaining strength in battle.
Okay. Ayun yata yung leader oh. Ito yata yung parang leader ng kalaban.
The Kushan
Sabi
general.
na eh. Kushan General.
Victory was certain.
Okay. Nanalo ata sila guys.
Until history took a different turn.
Ayan na. Potek-tek. Woy, gagi. Ang ganda ng
The
music.
7 immortals were the best warriors in the
In the
kingdom.
kingdom. Gagi. Parang nanonood ng trailer.
One of them would
Would
become,
become
a
a
legend.
legend. Potek-tek. Astig guys, so yung buhok niya naka-dreadlock. Ito ba karakter natin? Tek. Lupet guys, and here we go. And guys, ina.
Onward, immortals!
Alright. So ito na nga guys.
Don't
Anahita.
worry about me. I'll be fine. Save
Okay.
Persepolis. I trained you for this. I will go help my wounded warriors.
Okay guys.
Let's go,
As you can see, si Sargon, which is ito ngayon, nakikita nyo dito, ito yung magiging character natin. So di ko na-expect na ganito yung itsura ng Prince of Persia kasi nung mga nakaraang naglaro ng Prince of Persia guys, hindi ganito yung itsura niya. So naka-dreadlock pa yung buhok, parang minodern nila ngayon. Ang galing talaga ng Ubisoft, no? So minodern nila yung game. So parang nawala na tuloy yung Prince of Persia dito. Pero as you can see guys, isa tong 2.5D side-scrolling game. Ayan, kung nakita nyo, ganyan-ganyan lang siya. Pero malupit yung story dito, yung gameplay. Kita nyo naman yung graphics. Putik-itik, walang adjustan ng graphics yan. So naka-normal graphics lang tayo dito. Or ito na, naka-recommended sa phone natin yung graphics niya. So dito tayo guys sa settings. Wala oh, system. Walang graphics oh. Oh, wala. So walang adjustan, display. Ito pala display. Wala talaga. Walang adjustan, yung contrast lang. So, di naman yan sa graphics yan eh. So, anyway, let's go guys. Umpisa na natin to. So, ulitin ko na sa pin comment section or description yung link ng game na to. Let's go. Okay, talon lang tayo. Wala pang mga kalaban. Ayun, mga naglalaban guys. So, kaso side is scrolling to eh. Kaya di natin pwede puntahan yung mga yan. Buti sana kung open world. Okay. Ay, dito pala. Ayan. Alright. And then let's go. Alright. Sige. Ayan. May slide siya. And kalaban. Oh! Gagi, ang ganda nung ano. Nung attack niya. Parang kang naglalaro ng God of War. Promise. Ganyan din yung tunog ng God of War eh. Pag may inano si Kratos, may inatake siya. Ano to? Jump. Okay. Lupit din ng graphics quality. Promise. Maganda. And ayan.
None of you will leave here alive.
Okay, so pare guys, ito yata yung pag inatake ka, sasabayan mo ng ganito para ma-block yung attack ng kalaban, gano'n. Ayun, gaya no, di ba? Sabi sa inyo eh. Nalaman ko lang yung pare na yun sa Ghost of Tsushima eh. Naglaro kasi ako ng Ghost of Tsushima, doon ko lang nalaman yun. Alright. Kaya lupit, meron ba tong hold button or hold attack? Subukan natin kung may hold attack siya. Oh! Para siya nagsusuper saiyan, tignan nyo guys. Boom! Boom! Oh, tigatek.
Who's having all the fun?
Alright. Si Orod. Orod.
Follow me, Sargon.
Sige, susundan kita, Orod. Wait mo ako. Okay, so hold movement while moving to run after slide. Ayan, hold down natin yung movement. Ayan, bumibilis siya.
Keep running, Sargon.
Ayan na, tigatek talagang war dito ngayon, labanan.
Leave it to me.
Alright guys, let's go, let's go. Gagay, lupit na itong game na to. Iba talaga pag made with Ubisoft. 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 So anyway, let's go. Ayun, ang bilis oh. So panigurado guys, may mga ibang ability dito sa larong to. So ito, nakikita natin ngayon. Siyempre panimula pa lang to. Meron pa dito mamaya. So tik-tik archer, may archer ng kalaban. At siyempre may mga boss dito, panigurado. Maganda rin maglaro ng ano guys eh, ng 2.5D side-scrolling game. Or yung ganito yon, yung 2.5D side-scrolling. Yung hindi ka nakakalusot doon, ganun. Kasi guys, parang ang ano lang na ito, hindi na kayo mahilo-hilo or maliligaw sa mapa. Ganto na lang. Okay, may kalaban pa ba? Meron pa. Pero malupit siya guys, promise. Abangan nyo pa yung mga ibang nakapaloob dito. Laruin pa natin siya para makita nyo. Nakaharang pa eh. Meron pa bang kalaban? Meron pa nga. Boom! Alright, and then sino to? Archer, kakampi yata natin yan. Ayan. Winasak niya yung daanan. Salamat, pre. Okay. Okay, so hold the center to swipe and look around. Okay, so may ganun siya. Archer, oh. Kaso wala akong pang long range. Pasalamat ka. Okay, so jump on the wall. Okay, alam ko na to. Ano na to? Normal na lang yan. Yung mga parang parkour na ganyan, oh. Angas. Buhay ka pa? Ay, nahulog. Nag-slide naman siya. Don't leave them. Okay. Kalaban natin yan guys. Dito tayong hayaan makalapit kay General. Oh, reckless attack yellow eye present a special opportunity parry. Try natin. Oh! Lupit tong karakter natin. Naka-dreadlock talaga. Para siyang Black American eh. So, nag-iba na yung Prince of Persia. Lupit ah. Nawala na yung ano na ito. Pero siguro guys, ginawa lang nilang modern. Minodern lang nila, minodern style. Mamaya na natin i-check. Ang alam ko pwede nating ibalik yun eh, pero mamaya tignan natin. Nako, kakalabanin natin tong general. Sige, let's go. Restore health. Try natin. And ayan. Kakalabanin natin yung general guys. Where are you, general? Uy, gagi, nagis niya. Sino yun?
You can't hide from me.
Where are you, General? Okay, hold down natin to. Ito na nga, Super Science. Boom. Kulang? Ayun. Ayun na nga yung general guys, nakakabayo. Ano to yung character natin, ang angas. Yung mga mask nila parang familiar sa akin yan eh. Uy, grabe naman. Pati yung mga kampi netong general talagang pinatay niya. Walang awa.
The Rashaba, was it? Your life ends here.
Not if yours ends first.
Eto na. Umisyak ka. Basta yun. Hindi ko nabigkas yung pangalan niya. Anyway, let's go. Malakas ako. Super Saiyan. Hop, back. Tek. Ang haba nung range niya. Hop, back. Super Science. Super Science tuloy tawag ko dito. Okay, bilis. Ay, hindi natin napari. Pare. Pag napari natin yan, tapos na yan. Ayun. Tok. Gagi, parang superhero. Ayun na guys, wala na siya sa kabayan niya. Ako, lakas. Marami pang boss dito, panigurado. Okay. Last one hit. And 3, 2, 1. Tatapusan mo na. Oh! Nakaligtas. Sige. Isa pa. And 3, 2, 1. Magdasal ka na, boy. Oh! Oy, gagi sinalo niya. And boom! Astig.
Has come for you.
Gagi, ang laki nung general. Imagine mo ang lit lang ng karakter natin. Angas, gagi. Yung music sumasabay talaga dun sa sa gameplay.
The mighty Simurgh,
Oh,
protector
doon ng
of
background
Persia,
music. Pakinggan nyo.
has long left. But should our enemies try to take advantage of the situation, they will soon find that the kingdom's bravest warriors will be their undoing.
Okay, so mamaya na natin i-rate. Maganda siya guys, promise. Gumawa ba naman nito kilalang kumpanya ng developer, Ubisoft or game
30 years
publishers.
ago, the divine bird Simurgh graced my shoulder, thus showing his trust in me to guide our people. Today, I, Tomiris,
Queen of Persia.
praise your valor and loyalty.
Immortals tawag sa atin. 7 tayo eh.
Varun, you and your forces have once again saved the kingdom.
Ganda ng background music, promise.
Of Persia.
Step forward, Sargon. Word of your deeds precedes you through the streets of Persepolis.
Ito guys, yung naglalakad, prince daw yan.
Accept this royal sash
Sa
as a
token of
our
gratitude. What is that?
Sargon.
The
The
Rashaba.
Rashaba. The Black Wind.
I didn't choose that name.
You need not worry. I do not attach any. The winds also carry the seeds of future harvest. I am truly glad to meet you, Sargon.
Thank you, Princess San.
Let us drop the honorifics. And may we get to know each other in less formal circumstances.
As you wish.
Gasan.
Has
Okay. Ito nga guys, binigay sa atin Royal Sash offered by Tomiris, Queen of Persia, the highest honor distinction reserved for the most valiant warriors. Binigay sa atin kasi tayong tumalo ng general eh. Parang ito yung highest honorary distinction nila. Binibigay nila to sa mga parang matataas or nagliligtas. Ewan ko. Anyway guys, let's go. Pwede natin kausapin ba? Ayan, pwede. Kausapin natin si Prince.
Your name brings hope to I didn't ask.
Wala ko pakialam dyan. Ito, sino to?
We owe this victory to you, Rashaba.
Oh, ayan nga oh.
I am glad you're on our side.
Salamat ka. Nasa grupo nyo ako. Malakas ako eh. Hindi, joke lang. So anyway guys, let's go. And wow. So kahit side scrolling siya guys, marami kayong pwedeng puntahan dito. Tinutulak niya.
Long live the House of Tomiris!
Guard ata to. Okay, sino to? Ay, ito yung nasa
I'm
introduction
proud of you,
kanina.
Sargon.
I defeated Yuvishka, and we saved Persepolis.
Ayan, yung Ovishka, yun yung ano, yung general.
Did we? Thousands died on the battlefield. We're out of supplies. Persia is barely surviving.
The Kushan
The
will
Kushan will
surely come back.
Would you call that a victory?
I let my pride go to my head.
A warrior's journey is always one in progress, and when there's nothing left in one's path,
The warrior's
warrior
wonders.
wandered.
What is at the end of my blade?
Found an answer yet?
I won't figure that out tonight. Maybe a drink will help. You should join us.
Thanks, but I have other matters to attend to. You have what it takes to become one of the greatest, Sargon.
I know.
Just watch me.
Just watch me.
And listen to Varum. He will keep you on the right path.
Alright. Oh, tiga. Ang lupit na ito, guys. Marami pang nakaabang to para sa atin. So siguro gawan ko to ng part 2 pero ayan, may skins. Ayan guys, po tigatek. May skins. Ito yung mukha ng nasa Prince of Persia dati. Pati to. Uy, gagi, Dark Prince. Ito, subukan natin to. Oh, pwede pala palitan yung skin. Which is babalik siya sa dati. Alright, sige. Try rin natin tong Dark Prince. Okay. So yun guys, ang lupit pero parang ginawa nilang modern yung default. Kasi dreadlock siya eh. Dreadlock yata yung tawag sa ganyang buhok. Okay. Pero malupit siya, promise. Ang ganda na itong larong to. So gawan na lang natin ito ng part 2 guys. Pero kung gusto nyo itong malaro is nasa pin comment section or description lang yung link ng game na to. Offline game siya, okay? So walang internet connection. So maraming salamat sa inyo. This is Wacky PH again para sa akin. The music, gameplay. Ayan, 9 out of 9. Kasi hindi naman tayo magbibigay ng perfect. Di ko pa nakita. Nandito pa lang tayo sa introduction ng game. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo. This is Wacky PH again. Once again, this is made of Ubisoft, which is gumawa ng mga popular games gaya ng Assassin's Creed and Far Cry. Kaya hindi tayo i-disappoint ng Ubisoft guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Laruin nyo na to kapag nagustuhan nyo. Goodbye!